Sprinkle salt on your broom and go to sleep. In the morning, you'll be amazed by the results. Plastic brooms are very durable, but after a few months of use, their bristles start to age. The bristles begin to split and fall out, which affects the broom's efficiency when sweeping. Don't worry about it. You can improve its condition with 2 ingredients that you most likely have at home. Fill a bowl with warm, but not boiling water. Add about 500 milliliters of vinegar. The key ingredient is salt. Add half a cup. Salt has disinfecting properties. Place the broom in the bucket. It collects a lot of bacteria and dirt on its surface. This bath will thoroughly clean it. Shake the broom in the water. You will immediately see dust coming out of it. Leave it overnight. In the morning, you'll notice that the bristles look like new. The salt also hardens the bristles, which helps them regain their shape. The broom will be restored to its former condition and will be clean. It's recommended to clean your broom like this at least once every 6 months. This way, it will last for many years. Stick clear tape on the broom bristles. This trick might look strange, but it really works. While sweeping, a lot of hair and debris get tangled in the bristles. Cleaning it often becomes annoying. Instead of struggling, just stick tape on the broom. It's important to use wide tape. Don't cut it to the length of the broom. Leave a few extra centimeters on each side. Then fold it so that it surrounds the bristles. Start sweeping with the broom prepared this way. Hair, dust, and large debris will stick to the tape instead of getting tangled in the bristles. After sweeping, simply peel off the tape and throw it away. No more digging out debris from the broom. The tape also collects dirt that the broom wouldn't have been able to clean. This method makes sweeping much more effective. Put a plastic bag on the broom. This trick will save you a lot of work, time, and frustration. Don't throw away plastic bags. You can use them while sweeping. Often, large dust pieces stick to the broom, making them hard to transfer to the dustpan. When sweeping particularly dirty and dusty areas, it's better to prepare the broom. You'll need a regular plastic bag. Place the broom in the bag and tie it to the handle. This will make sweeping much faster. Dust and hair won't stick to the bag, but will gather neatly on the floor. Fur, hair, and dust will be easily transferred to the dustpan. Although this trick may seem simple, most people don't know it. Did you know about the broom and plastic bag trick?